Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're anything like me, you might currently be staring down the barrel of finals week. Your eyes are burning, that third cup of coffee isn't really doing the trick anymore, and the sheer volume of coffee-stained organic chemistry diagrams and endless history dates that you somehow need to memorize by tomorrow morning feels, well, frankly, it feels impossible. I totally feel your pain. We have all been there, literally trapped under the weight of our own notes. But today, we're going to look at a highly efficient way to change all of that.
Let me ask you this directly. Are you currently drowning in a semester's worth of paper? You look around your desk and it's just this towering pile of physical notebooks, loose-leaf paper, half-legible scribbles. It's anxiety-inducing, right? Just staring at that massive mountain of paper and wondering how on earth you're going to cram it all into your brain before the clock runs out. And honestly, it is a completely valid anxiety.
Okay, let's dive into this. You start the semester with meticulous handwritten notes. You show up, you pay attention, and you write it all down. That is incredibly hard work. But then exam season hits, and that exact hard work transforms into an overwhelming tornado of raw information. The very thing that was supposed to help you succeed is now creating total chaos right when you need clarity the most.
But what if you could flip a switch and just fix that? Say goodbye to the paper panic. Enter Gemini. Think of Gemini not just as a search engine, but as your ultimate organizational sidekick. Because it has powerful multimodal capabilities, it can actually parse and decode your messy, spatial, human handwriting into clean, structured data. You already have everything Gemini needs to generate a logical, structured study guide to help you prep for any remaining finals. It solves the paper problem entirely by doing the heavy lifting of sorting and organizing all that information for you. And you know what the best part is? The process is incredibly fast. Just 3 steps. Step 1, literally just take a photo of each page of your handwritten notes with your phone. Step 2, upload those image files directly to Gemini. And step 3, try out a specific prompt. That's it. No transcribing, no manually retyping your messy handwriting into a Word document. Just snap, upload, and ask. So the crucial point is, what exactly do you ask it once you upload those pictures? Well, here is the exact phrasing recommended to get the absolute best results. Quote, create a study guide based on my course materials for my exams. Now, why is this phrasing so effective? By giving the AI a specific end goal, for my exams, it understands exactly how to format the output. Rather than just vomiting the raw information back at you, it knows to synthesize the data into actionable bullet points, key themes, and digestible summaries tailored specifically for studying. Now, here's a pro tip to completely customize this experience. You don't have to settle for a generic overview. Let's say you've been paying close attention all semester, and you already have a really good grasp on the introductory material. You can tell Gemini to completely bypass the basics. For example, tell it to skip the basic cell structure and go straight into explaining cellular respiration. You tailor the prompt so the AI dives deeper into the complex topics, focusing exactly on the areas where you know you need the most review. It's essentially personalized learning on demand. And look at what you get out of this process. The payoffs here are just huge. You are taking that messy, physical, hard work, that giant pile of paper on your desk, and transforming it into permanent, future-proofed digital assets. Gemini can distill all of your semester-long notes into clean, easy-to-read study guides. It can instantly create flashcards for you to quiz yourself on the go, or it can simply organize an entire semester's worth of learning into neat digital folders so you can easily pull it up and revisit it when school is back in session next year. Every single output is an escalating win for your productivity. Which leads us to our final thought for this explainer. The question isn't whether you have enough time to study, it's how you choose to use that time. Are you going to keep drowning in paper, or are you ready to let AI build your lifeboat? By leveraging this incredibly simple workflow, you can eliminate the physical chaos on your desk and approach your final exams with absolute confidence. Try it out, take back your time, and happy studying.